Hello friends, my name is Nakul and you are watching How About Tech, and today we will talk about Apple Watch. We will talk about some of its tips, tricks and hidden features that you might not know about. This is the SE version of the Apple Watch and I am using this watch since 5 months. And these are all the tips, tricks and features that I found useful and want to share with you guys. If you want a full review of Apple Watch SE, I will provide the link to that video in the description down below, and I will also link the Apple Watch SE in the description, so if you want to check it out, you can do that too. Now let's begin the video. Before we start, let me remind you that all these tips and tricks will work on all the Apple Watches which support the latest watchOS 7 version. Let's start with the dock. To check the recently opened apps on your Apple Watch, press the side button and it will open the dock and will show you all the apps which you opened recently. However, you can change the setting to show all your favorite apps in the dock. To enable this feature, go to your iPhone, then go to the Apple Watch application. In that, go to dock and select the favorite. You can select all your favorite apps which you want to display in the dock. The next tip is for easy scrolling through a long page. Say you are in settings and you are deep down in the settings page and you decide you want to go back to the top of the page. You don't have to scroll your way through. What you can do is quickly tap on the top of the screen and it will take you at the start within a few seconds. The next tip is to quickly go back to the last opened app on your watch. For example, if you are scrolling through settings and you suddenly remember to check your activity, you go to the activity and check your rings. And now if you have to go back to the last used app, that is settings, in this case you don't need to close this app, search in the honeycomb and open settings. What you can do is double tap on the crown and it will take you to the exact instance of the app you were using before that application. The next tip is related to the calls. If you are in a meeting or in a situation when you cannot receive the call, you can cover the watch screen with your palm. It will silence the call, it won't cut the call. However, if you hold the palm on the screen for more than 3 seconds, it will cut the call and also it will put your watch into silence mode so that you won't be disturbed with incoming calls. To enable this feature, go to your settings. In the settings, go to sound and haptics and at the bottom select the option for cover to mute. The next tip is related to the workouts app. To bypass the 3-second timer, tap on the screen and it will take you directly to the workout. And to break your workout into multiple segments, just double tap on the screen and break it across various segments. You can do this multiple times and compare your stats along various segments. The next tip is also regarding the workouts application. To pause your workout, press the side button and the digital crown simultaneously and it will pause your workout. And to resume the workout, again press the side button and the digital crown and it will resume your workout. However, you can use this method to take a screenshot when not using the workout application. Press the digital crown and the side button simultaneously and it will take a screenshot. This screenshot will be saved in the gallery of your iPhone. The next tip is regarding the power reserve mode. If you are running low on battery, you can enable the power reserve mode by going into the control center and clicking on the battery percentage. Now select the power reserve mode. What it will do is it will disable all the features except it will only show you the current time. And keep in mind, to go out of this mode, you will have to restart your Apple Watch by long pressing on the side button. The next feature is called chimes. To keep a track of time without actually looking at your watch, you can set up chimes and it will give you haptic feedback as well as it will play a sound every 15 minutes, 30 minutes or every hour, whichever you want. To enable this feature, go to your settings. In settings, go to accessibility. Under accessibility, select chimes, and as you can see, I have selected the schedule to be hourly. You can also change the sound between bells and birds. The next tip is regarding the activity app. To see your activity stats in details and exact percentage of completion, just go to your activity app and it will show you the exact percentage of completion of your different stats. If you scroll down further, it will show you more details such as total number of steps taken, total distance covered, and total flights climbed. And if you scroll even further, it will show you a weekly summary of all your activity stats, as well as you can change your activity goals directly from the watch without having the need to go to your iPhone. The last tip is for zooming your screen. Sometimes small text can be difficult to read on your watch, and what you can do is you can zoom on the screen by double tapping the screen with 2 fingers. And you can adjust the screen with the help of the digital crown and select whatever text you want to. To go back to the normal mode, again double tap the screen with 2 fingers. You can enable this feature by going into the settings, then go to the accessibility and then turn on the zoom. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you have learned something new today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, as it will motivate me to bring more such video for you. Also, do let me know in the comment section down below which tip or trick you like the most. Also, subscribe to my channel for more such tech related videos. And if you guys are interested in tips and tricks for the iPhone, I will provide the link to that video in the description down below. I will meet you very soon with another tech video. Until then, take care and goodbye.